the door. Wait, oh, okay, we gotta wait. These are Otis's. Well, it's ReGen. ReGen, formerly Otis's. Alright, there we go. Here we go. Wow.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets fly through the air? Nice catch, Lou!
Oh my god, my ears are popping.
Hey, watch it! We're coming up here! Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya?
The Empire State.
All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. We're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Okay, my ears are popping. Much then the river elevator. Thank you.